second jump of the day.
Yeah.
Why?
Well, you know that feeling when you jump out of the plane, you do a flip, the butterflies in your stomach. For me, it's all about that feeling. And if I have the opportunity to feel that again in 2 days, or the same day, I will take it. So maybe you think I'm crazy, but I'm here. Let's do it.
Hell yeah, that's the way of talking. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Hey, welcome back.
Wow.
How are you, man?
That was
All
life-changing. Life-changing.
Yeah.
Woo! How was that?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah? Did you have fun?
Yes.
Woo!
Thank you.
Nice, high five.
I feel like a professional skydiver right now.
Awesome.
So good.
You did great. Enjoy the beach now. See you next time. How was the fly?
You know, when I jumped out of that plane, that moment where you're like, it's crazy, but for somehow it's peaceful at the same time. You feel yourself in the air, do the barrel roll, and then when I had to control the paraglide or the parachute, that was my favorite part. You know, you just woo woo. So every single part was amazing.
So will you do it again?
Oh, absolutely. I will totally do it again.
Okay, congratulations. Yes. Ciao. We are on the second ground.
Spanish version. So, yes, this time when I jumped out of the plane, I could enjoy the free fall. I was just taking in the air. And then when I got to the point where I was controlling, he taught me a little bit about how you're supposed to approach. I was able to control for a couple of minutes, so I felt like it was my first lesson of being a skydiver, and I'm gonna go to school next year. So amazing experience.
Will you do it again tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning, 8 a.m.
Come on.
Maybe.
Ciao.